What are the best behind-the-ear hearing aids? That is what we will go through in this video. We'll list 6 top-rated models on the market right now, going through their features and costs, from the cheapest to the most powerful, so keep watching. But before that, if you want to get your hearing aids at the best price, we can help. If you fill in our form and book a consultation, you can get a 20% discount for your hearing aid at a local audiologist. So click the link in the description to claim your 20% discount now. Now, let's move on to the list. First up is Resound One, a hearing aid that can provide you with 360-degree sound awareness. And what are its top 3 standout features? Starting with the all-access directionality. This innovative technology provides 360-degree sound awareness, so you can hear sounds from all directions. It's perfect for situations where you need to be aware of your surroundings, like walking in a busy city or listening to a lecture in a crowded room. Secondly, active ultrafocus. This allows you to focus optimally on speech in front of you, making it easier to focus on one-on-one conversations, even in more challenging and loud environments, like restaurants. Lastly, the Resound One offers a rechargeable battery option for added convenience. You can get the charger case, which allows you to recharge your hearing aids for up to 3 days of listening with just one charge. You can get the Resound One in 3 different technology levels, 9, 7, and 5. Prices for the Resound One range from $1,500 to $3,900 per hearing. The lowest level are the most affordable devices on this list, so if you are on a tighter budget, this might be just the right device for you. Keep in mind that the prices can vary based on your location, market conditions, and even your audiologist. Next up is Widex Moment, the latest hearing aid from Widex, a company that has been producing cutting-edge hearing solutions for over 6 decades. So, what are the standout features of the Widex Moment BTE? First up, the SoundSense technology automatically adjusts the hearing aid settings based on the wearer's surrounding environment. This means that you'll always have optimal sound quality, whether you're in a quiet room or a bustling restaurant. Secondly, the Moment offers a pure sound program to reduce sound distortion. This feature means that you'll be able to enjoy crystal clear sound quality without any of the annoying whistling or feedback that can sometimes occur with hearing aids. Finally, the Moment BTE provides wind noise attenuation to improve your listening experience outdoors. You'll be able to hear everything from the rustling of leaves to the sound of passing cars without any distracting wind noise. The Moment comes in 4 different technology levels: the 110, the 220, the 330, and the 440. Prices for the Widex Moment start from $1,950 for the 110 and go up to $3,600 for the 440. Next up is Oticon Real, the latest hearing aid from the leading manufacturer of innovative hearing solutions. So, what features make the Real BTE stand out from the crowd? First up, the brain hearing technology provides natural sound quality and improved speech understanding. This means that you'll be able to hear conversations and other sounds with greater clarity, even in noisy environments. Secondly, the Real connects to smartphones and other wireless devices through Bluetooth Low Energy. This feature allows you to stream music, phone calls, and other audio content directly to your hearing aid without any wires or extra equipment. And last but not least, the Real comes in a rechargeable format with their desktop charger. You can charge your hearing aids fully in it in just 3 hours. The Real comes in 3 technology levels, 1, 2, and 3. And how about the prices? The Real ranges from $2,700 for the 3, going up $3,800 per hearing aid for the 1. Next up, Phonak's Naida Lumity hearing aid, the flagship model from one of the industry's leading names. And what are the standout features of the Phonak Naida Lumity? First up, the AutoSense OS 4.0. This incredible feature automatically adjusts the hearing aid settings to suit different listening environments, whether you're in a quiet room or a busy street. Secondly, the speech enhancer technology. This will help to amplify soft, spoken sounds, even from a distance, without amplifying other, irrelevant noises needlessly. This makes it easier to partake in conversations in more quiet settings, like libraries. Lastly, the Naida Lumity has a tinnitus balance. This program offers customizable sound therapy that can help reduce the symptoms of tinnitus and make it more manageable. You can get the Naida Lumity in 4 technology levels: the L30, the L50, the L70, and L90. The prices start from $2,200 for the L30 and go up to $3,900 for the L90. Next up is the Signia Motion X Charge and Go device, one of the most advanced hearing aids on the market today. And what are the standout features of the Signia Motion X? First up, the Experience Platform. This advanced technology delivers natural sound quality and improved speech understanding. It uses machine learning to adapt to your personal hearing preferences and provide a customized listening experience. Secondly, the Motion X has EchoShield technology, which helps reduce echoes for clearer sound. This is particularly useful in environments with hard surfaces, such as large rooms or auditoriums. Lastly, the Automatic Situation Detection, which can detect whether you are in motion or not and adjust the hearing settings accordingly. This makes it an ideal hearing aid for working out and for an active lifestyle in general. The Motion comes in 3 technology levels: the 3X, 5X, and 7X. The Signia Motion Charge and Go ranges from $2,100 for the 3X up to $3,800 per hearing aid for the 7X. And finally, Starkey's Livio Edge hearing aid that's packed with advanced features and personalized hearing care. And what are the standout features? First up, Thrive OS. This innovative operating system includes advanced features such as fall detection, language translation, and voice assistant integration. This means you can stay connected to the world around you and communicate more easily, all while wearing your hearing aids. Secondly, Edge Mode. This feature enhances speech clarity and reduces background noise, so you can hear conversations more clearly in noisy environments. This is especially helpful when you're in a crowded restaurant or at a party. Lastly, the Livio Edge BTE provides personalized hearing care through the Thrive app. This means you can adjust the settings of your hearing aids and receive personalized support from your hearing care professional, all from the comfort of your own home. The Livio comes in a total of 6 technology levels, ranging from $1,000 to $2,400, and with the most advanced model being the Edge AI that includes AI assistance. The Livio starts from $2,000 for the 1,000, and with the Edge AI the price goes up to a whopping $4,900, making it the most expensive on our list. So there you have it, the top 7 BTE hearing aids in the market right now. The prices range from $1,000 to $4,900, with Resound being the cheapest on the list and the Starkey being the most expensive. Did any of the devices raise your curiosity? Don't forget that to get hearing aids at the absolutely best possible price, you can fill in our form and get a 20% discount on a hearing aid at a local audiologist. Just click the link in the description and claim your 20% discount now. Thank you, and see you in the next video.